Hi there. I'd like to show you how to use Zoom, how to join without downloading any applications on your computer. Excuse me. So first I'm going to go to Facebook. I'm going to Facebook because that's where the invitation was received. So I'm in my Facebook and I'm going to my Messenger. I'm going to look for Brenda Suchy because she's who sent me the invitation. And there's the link right there. So when I click on the link, it's going to open a new, let's try that once more. When I click on the link, it opens a new window with a pop-up box that wants me to open Zoom, which is already downloaded on my computer. I don't want to do that, and you're going to want to not do that either. So click Cancel. And so that we don't have to download a new program on your computer, you're going to go for this option down at the very bottom. If you can't download or run the application, join from a browser, from your browser. And ta-da, it's popped us right into Zoom. If you heard that doorbell, that was my phone telling me as the host that someone has joined the room. So a few things to show you about Zoom. Well, when you come in on Monday, you're going to see my face here because I'm going to be the host. But right now, it's just sitting next to me on my stamping desk, my messy desk. So a few things I wanted to show you here. First of all, when you enter the room, your video is not going to be seen. If you want me to see your face, you click the Start Video button. And here I am. I have three options for this. I can hide it completely. I can make it thumbnail size, or I can make it slightly bigger. Okay? You can also see who else is in the room by clicking on Participants, and this shows you the names of everyone because you're asked to enter your name. And another important piece I want you to know about is the chat room, the chat feature. If you click on that button, it brings you to the chat. Excuse me. And you can chat just like you would in Messenger. There's a 2, and you hit enter, and it pops up here so you can see what's going on. So let's see. I can show just to everyone or just to the host. If I type to everyone, I can type hello. And it pops up there. Now this is important. If you want to type just to me, you're going to just type to Brenda Suchy. And there will be a reason for you to do this. I'm going to ask you to share some information that you might not want everyone else to know. So, so that's how you do that. It's just by clicking on the 2, and you have the 2 options. You can hide this this screen, this participants screen, by clicking Close, and then close again. That way, this will be nice and big. And you can also get rid of the faces here so that you can focus on what's happening over here. When we're together on Monday, I'm going to be doing this from my camper, so this is going to be quite the adventure for all of us, okay? I can't wait to see you.